back with another video. Is that what you say, Lucky?
Dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the times bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So the grind don't stop, man. Y'all see I'm at it again, man. So I'm about to drop this car over. I got the Nissan Altima. I forgot what year it is. It might be a 03, 2003 Nissan Altima. So it drives pretty good. I don't know y'all guys can hear it, but the wheel, I can hear the wheel bearing. This window don't work, the AC don't work, and damn shocks are kind of jacked. You know, you see this steering wheel shaking and shit. So I'm gonna go get that fixed. It's like the front shocks. So front shocks, fix AC, window, and the goddamn that damn grinding the wheel bearing. So the wheel bearing. So anyways, guys, I'm on my way to mechanic shop. Let's get it. See, I pull up right here where I'm like, yeah, I need right here in the center of attention. So we're gonna turn this thing off. I be trying to be cheap, but man, I gotta sell cars that's running right, man. It make it easier to sell cars. So I be trying to fix at least the main shit. I can't fix everything like this door handle. Someone else gonna have to get that shit fixed. I mean, I can't fix every goddamn thing, but let's see how it is. Yeah, this side, I think probably one shot. I don't know, AC, but this is what it looked like, y'all. And y'all need any mechanic work, man, come over to Cal Loop, 21st of May, Southwest. Let them know Lucky send y'all. They'll take care of y'all. But yeah, and then I gotta fix this window most definitely. So car is pretty clean inside though. I don't know, y'all comment below and let me know how much money y'all think I can get for it. It's a 03. I think a lot of people like these cars. But anyway, let me go ahead and holler at my mechanic and I'll get right back to y'all. So I'm up here waiting for them to move the Cobalt out. So we got Money Making Shines Camaro up here. I'm assuming, let me see what it looks like. They say they're still working on it. Let me see. Yeah, they must be doing more things than putting the alternate, you know, doing the alternate. He keeps having problems with the damn alternate. So I don't know what the hell it is or what they're doing to it. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. That's like the third time us changing the alternator, so it might be something else. I don't know. Alternator keep going bad. His damn things keep jumping. But anyways, I'm about to get ready to get this Cobalt out. They talking about fixing it, but that shit's gonna be a little bit too much money to be fixing the shit that I need fixed. God damn, that shit looks kind of bad. I was trying to fix that back, but man, someone else is just gonna have to buy it like that and fix it. If y'all could tell, the back on this Cobalt, like the wheel sits out. You know, customer pointed that out to me, but I mean, you can't really feel it unless you're going like this while you're going fast. But other than that, yeah, he gonna have to pull that out. I'm not fucking with it. I can't, nah, I'm pull that motherfucker out. I'm not driving that shit out and hit one of these cars, scratch up. No sorry, Bob. No, not me. But let me get my jump box out of my damn car, hop up in this Cobalt. I gotta get ready to try to sell this Cobalt. Sell it like it is. I'll probably just lower the price just to get rid of it and move forward with my life. You know, y'all win some, you lose some. Some you gotta break even. You know, I hate having a car too goddamn long. I think I had that Cobalt too damn long. So get my jump box out of here. My jump box out of here. Yeah. And if y'all do not remember this Cobalt, here you go. If you guys interested in it, man, hit me up. Lucky Wheels and Deals on IG or Lucky Luciano on Facebook. Yeah. It drives good. I think the battery's probably weak. It got a weak battery. I remember the AC working. The AC works. Everything works on it. Fuck this. Oh man. Oh, I'll probably be sold pretty fast. I'm about to drop the price on them. I think I was asking. Yeah, I can't even remember what I was asking. I know I'm about to sell this shit though. Throw this bitch back online, sell it. I was trying to fix it, but it was just sitting over here. They like, it's gonna be cost too much to fix. Fucking, you sure you want to do it? I was like, damn. But I'll sell it. It drives good though. It drives excellent. You know what I mean? Another day, another dollar. Back up here, man, at the mechanic shop, man. 21st and May. Man, y'all see it, man. I got my assistant right here.
Hey.
So yeah, we're dropping off this Cavalier, man. What they're gonna do for me is, I don't know, I can put this shit on myself, but what this car doing, you took the key out? You got the key? All right. Let me show y'all. Damn, she's short. Let me show y'all. Motherfucking nigga. Come on. They might have to fix that shit. That shit's supposed to be turning instantly. So it's making this actuator noise. Making actuator noise. So I'm gonna have them fix this. Check the AC for me. The AC ain't blowing. Blowing only on the top, but it's not. The blend door is supposed to be changing this, so all that shit's stuck. I think it needs recharging. So we just have to fix that. I might order this and put it on myself, or have them find me one. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go holler at them and this shit, man. We got a lot of work to do, man. We're gonna be in and out all fucking day. I gotta move a whole bunch of cars. But anyways, guys, let's get it. So guys, we over here setting up shop like we always do, man. We got a few cars, man. Y'all know how to bring up that damn Cobalt out here. We all just making money. They over there fixing on cars and stuff. What's going on, Aaron? What's up, JJ? That's JJ right there, boy. Finally caught him working. JJ over there working.
No, I don't work, I just diagnose.
Oh, okay. Hey, go ahead and park it right there and reverse it. Okay. All right. Hey, sis. Hey, park it right next to her. Reverse, back it into right over there. Yeah. Hell yeah, man. I got workers now. I got help. I got assistants. You know, we about to get this money. We about to turn this shit out, man. You know what I mean? We're over here at the lot. We're about to turn this bitch out. So I got the Chevy bill I got. Man, if y'all want any of them damn cars, before they get ready or after they get ready, y'all let me know. I haven't got the Malibu over here. I need to get some hubcaps still and wash it up. And then I got the Chevy bill. Yeah. What you doing over here, JJ? What you trying to figure out?
I'm a diagnostic, man. You just pay me. I just come diagnostic.
That's it?
My diagnosis fee costs about $50. I can't get my hands dirty.
Yeah.
You know, like those shade tree mechanics.
Shade tree just to sit there, smoke a cigarette over and just look, just stare.
I don't know, yeah. I don't know, man. It look like that part right there. It's gonna cost you about $275.
Yeah.
If it ain't that one, it gotta be that one over there.
Yeah.
If it ain't, let me get you to you. If it ain't that, just leave it to me. Just leave it with me until Friday.
That's what they be doing too, for real. Hey, they be posting like they're doing, Jay. How they be stretching, yeah.
Yeah, if I can't figure it out, just leave it to you.
Yeah. Oh, you thinking the ground is off?
Oh, that's one boy, don't tell it.
Huh.
This guy. I believe this guy got a
Yeah. We out here, man.
Is the lights on?
They might turn off. Oh, they turned off by itself. Jove, okay, dang, sis, you must be drunk. This thing. Say what's up to the Lucky Nation, sis.
What's up?
Oh, you gotta say what's up to him with some energy. You ain't ready for the car. What do you gotta say? What up, Lucky Nation?
What up, Lucky Nation?
Yeah, I cut her off. I know. No AC in this thing.
At all.
And we probably get it fixed later. Hey, if we don't sell it fast enough, we'll go get the AC fixed in these. But man, someone want to come and fix these cars up for a good price, man, y'all come right now. Y'all can fix your own AC. But once I...
Got the keys right here.
Huh? Oh yeah, hey, bring them in the car. Car, you got the key to that one?
Yeah, to the car.
All right, yeah, just bring that to the car. Well, yeah, guys, we out here, man. We out here getting it, man. We on to the next. Let's get it.
You know how I knew where the gas thing is?
What?
Did you ever look inside the car and touch it?
Oh, the arrow? Yeah, that's what they be commenting below and telling me all the time. Oh, someone put $10 in it. Should I put $10 or $5 in it? What do you think? You know, hold this real quick. Hold that for me. I need camera on. Oh, it's recording.
Oh.
We on there. We on there. We gonna put some gas in it. Y'all know I don't like putting gas in these damn cars, man. I'm cheap, man. I'm cheap.
He ain't lying.
I ain't trying. Hey, I don't got no money like that, y'all. I don't know who lied and told me.
Oh, cheap ass.
Goddamn right.
Let's see how much Lucky put in there.
Oh, let's see.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Are you gonna do a 5 or are you gonna do a 10? Lucky Wheels.
Which one you think? Which one you think?
I say the 10.
Them motherfuckers, 10.
Because, I mean, people gonna test drive it, right?
Yeah, you right. You right.
So let's make it work. Oh, wow. This shit ain't got no AC right now. Maybe it just wasn't going.
AC didn't work?
I didn't give it time all the way, so I just can't say just yet.
AC didn't work, so I say $10.
It might work.
I say $10 just in case I gotta take it to the car lot and then take it to the mechanic shop, back to the car lot and the test drive. So I might as well just stop wasting time, just put $10 in there, right? Oh, stop talking before it run over. Y'all put the credit card in and shit.
Okay.
You'll keep going.
I know, I should have brought my damn car. You wanna do that?
We ain't doing all that.
So we got the other car right there. They making me slave.
Look, I got cameraman, camerawoman.
Let's see where we at.
$9.69. That's it. That's all.
Oh.
That's all they get. That's all.
Oh, we wasn't gonna make it to 10.
Yeah, should I try?
Come
Let's
on.
see, can I stop it at 10? Let's see.
My brother's deep, y'all.
Oh!
Not really, though.
Got it, look.
He's good at saving money, so.
Hey, got it right there on the dot. 10. You know that shit kind of hard. Not 10:01, 10:02, 10:05, 10 on the dot. If y'all don't have my dot damn money, I'm killing you and him.
Ooh.
Oh, fuck with y'all, man. Hey, shit been real. We on the grind, man. The grind don't stop, y'all. Y'all like, yeah, Lucky got money like that, okay. He got help. He got 2 drivers. He got a cameraman.
And I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just
Oh,
volunteering.
stop it. Cut. Hey, I ain't paying nobody. Y'all know I'm cheap. Y'all know I don't got money like that. You need to turn the car off, huh? Is it running?
You know what? I don't know what the hell I done. Look. Y'all did.
Oh, okay, it started right up. Cause I jumped it, remember? All right.
Cause I started.
Okay. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, man. Got sis over there helping me out. We got Tar over there cupcaking. Yeah.
Get out.
On the phone, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna hop back up in this thing. Man, we gonna get it, man. Oh man, sure is hard being a businessman, y'all, at the end of the day, man. Grind don't fucking stop, man. We about to get this goddamn money, man. We about to get this goddamn money. Like I said, y'all interested in any cars, let me know. Let me know. Y'all need any cars that's over here at the car lot, or let me know, or hit me up on IG, Lucky Wheels and Deals, Lucky Luciano on Facebook, man. But anyways, I think I'll either see y'all at the lot, or I'll see y'all with the next load of cars I'm getting.
Back with another video. Is that what you say, Lucky? Back with another.
Back
with another video. Lucky's Wheels and Deals.
Back at it again with another lit video.
Do that again, T. You do it again. Back at Tell them with the hair. Back at it again.
Y'all silly.
Going down the street. Sis almost had a heat stroke.
Again. Oh, yeah.
Almost had a heat stroke.
No AC.
Man, I ain't never in my life. Well, it's been a long time.
Lucky got the deals, but he don't have AC.
Rode in the car that did not have AC. I'm telling y'all, it's been like
I will drive the
years.
next one back, I promise.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Because I about had a heat stroke. Dreads gonna fall out.
I
Never.
said,
I don't even sweat, and I'm sweating today. I am too.
I said, you can go ahead and drive La with the AC. I'll drive the other one. I don't think the other one got AC.
Oh, shit.
This Mr. JJ hitting me up right now. He got another vehicle ready
3 for sure.
with the minivan for somebody's mommy.
Hell yeah.
I need a snow cone now.
You look like. Let's get her a snow cone.
Ooh.
Why you look at me and roll your eyes?
He's tripping.
Ooh, I'll be the tiger blood too.
Tiger blood. I wish I liked ices,
Hey.
With a little
but
banana.
What the fuck is she talking about, y'all? Anyways,
Snow
guys, we
cone.
on to the next. I don't know what the hell she
Snow
on.
cones, tiger blood. You never had it? Y'all ain't never had it?
I don't like snow cones.
They know what I'm talking about, tiger blood.
Oh, yeah, I don't know what that shit is. I don't know.
You don't know what it is though? It's a flavor of snow
Oh.
cone.
That's the snow cone stand I go to right there.
Right there?
look.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
think. Oh,
They
yeah.
closed open. Shit, on you?
I need some ice.
I guess I'll
on
treat my
me.
workers. Oh, okay, on you.
Ooh,
okay,
we called you a
boss.
worker.
All right, this is mine. This, all right, no. What are you? No, this is.
I'm Lucky's big sister, Jazz.
Okay, and this is my what you call it?
What you call it?
What you call
No,
it?
what
Let me
you
not
call
mess
it?
up. Let me
Mr.
not-
Boss
let
Man.
me- oh,
He
okay.
just called me a worker. He
Nah, I
looked
ain't
like
call you a worker.
That's what you called me.
Nah, I ain't
That's
call
what you was
worker.
thinking, huh?
It sounds like that.
He
It
said
sounds
something
my
like that.
workers.
Whatever.
My goddamn workers.
Mm.
Nah, I ain't gonna disrespect y'all like that.
You know
I ain't
what?
no worker because I ain't getting paid.
God damn, you just put my business out there.
She's a volunteer.
You're a volunteer.
Volunteering. That's all I'm
Volunteer.
doing.
I volunteer. No, Tarj volunteered your ass.
Yeah, I needed your help, sis. I was
Yeah.
melting.
But I don't mind though. I really
Nah, this
don't.
is my assistant. This is my assistant.
That's better. That's better. I'll take that.
My
I'll
lovely
take that.
assistant. So y'all need, hey, she go, hey, all the questions y'all need to ask, y'all can ask her.
I might have an answer. No, I definitely will.
She have an answer, y'all can ask her all questions y'all want. I'm not answering shit else. Look, I'm just here for I won't get fined, boss. Ask
Here
her
for
all
the
the
interview.
good questions.
He's here for the interview.
Yeah. But anyways, guys, we're on to the next one. I'm about to hop up into this Acura real quick and see what it do.
Yay!
So guys, we end up not getting that Acura. I'm just gonna move it tomorrow. Yeah, man, I'm burnt out. We had to go eat. Shit, I'm glad I had some help today. But, man, I'm burnt the fuck out. I'm about to go lay my ass down. It's fucking, well, it was 108 out here, and I've been in the heat driving in cars with no AC. But man, I'll see y'all on the next, man. So just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wills and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
I just put it in her stomach, that's her G-spot. Everybody think they was loyal, we know she not. Spend 900 on some kicks that look like Reeboks. All these colors in my chain, I'm a peacock.